Hey there guys, my name is Marcus and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can ban someone from your page on Facebook. So you won't be able to do it on Facebook directly. You need to download an application called Business Suite, which is on Google Play or also Apple. And when you're going to click on it, you just want to simply find someone that you want to ban. Like let's click here on posts. And I'm just going to find a comment. Yeah, like right here, this girl here. So I will click on it and then you're gonna see ban from page, right? And you will just want to simply click ban from page. Are you sure you want to ban this person from this page? A person or page who's banned can't comment, message or post on your page. And this is how you can like confirm it, and this is how you can ban someone. So you just press confirm and then you're gonna ban someone from your page. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.